Hey foodies, what's going on? So today I'm gonna be making a truffle risotto. The ingredients that you'll need for it is, of course, some mushrooms, some onion, arborio rice, which is great for risotto. See here. Some chicken stock or chicken broth, some white wine, parmesan cheese, and of course some white truffle oil that we'll be using. So now we're gonna start cutting up the onions and the mushrooms so we can like fry them down and start making the risotto. Also, my little brother is also down here, Emmanuel, or Manny for short. He's 7. He actually gonna help me cook. You're gonna come help me cook? Come.
Hello everybody, so my name is Emmanuel and I'm 7 years old. Today, me and my oldest brother will be showing you how to...
With risotto, we're making truffle risotto for mommy.
Okay.
Truffle risotto.
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 Okay.
Now let's go cook some risotto.
Alright, let's go. Okay, so first we're gonna do the chicken broth. We have to boil it first because we're gonna be adding it piece by piece to the risotto in the big pot. So Manny is gonna pour the chicken broth in this pot so it can start boiling. So you could go ahead, Manny, and pour it in. Pour all of it in. Alright, awesome. So now we're gonna let this come to a boiling point. And when it's already boiled, then we're gonna add it in here with the arborio rice. But first we're gonna fry down the onions and the mushrooms. First we're gonna get some olive oil and put it in the pot. There you go. Drizzle some in the pot. Because we're gonna fry the mushrooms down, and then after we fry it down, we're gonna set the mushrooms aside. Alright, that's good. Awesome. So now we're gonna just get the olive oil all around. You wanna get the onions, Manny? You get the onions right there. Yeah. Now you wanna throw the onions in? Throw it in.
Let's try it.
Stir it up. Put one hand and hold it and then stir it. Now we're gonna fry down the mushrooms. Oh, Manny. There you go. Oh, little mess, it's okay. Now stir it up. More olive oil. Okay, so now we're gonna add back the onions. Yeah, add it in. Put the onions in. Awesome. Stir it up. And now we're gonna start to add the rice in slowly. Start pouring some rice in. Come on. Don't put oil in, just start pouring a bit in. So pour.
That's enough?
Keep pouring. No, keep pouring. Keep pouring.
Tell me how to stop.
Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, you can stop. Yeah. Now stir that. Now we're gonna stir the rice in with the onions. Stir it. Yeah, all around. You can just pour here the onion. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna add some white wine. Add some white wine, Manny, to risotto. Okay, that's good. Now you're gonna stir it up. Still gonna stir it up a bit. You probably wanna add a bit more white wine. Yeah. good. Alright, that's good. Just keep stirring. Now add in some of the chicken broth. So we're not gonna add in all the chicken broth at once. No, not that, sorry, that one. No, there. Yeah, that one. Hold by the handle. Yeah. Now we're gonna add in the hot chicken broth piece by piece, and then we're gonna stir it in. Be careful, it's hot, so you're gonna pour it in, going that way. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. Okay, that's good for now. Now stir it. Keep stirring. Right, keep stirring. Okay, now we're gonna add in more broth. Add in some more broth, yeah. There you go. Add in some more. And we're gonna keep stirring. Keep stirring it. Awesome. This risotto is gonna be nice and moist. You want the temperature on medium heat as well with the risotto. You don't want to overcook it or burn it at all. So now we're gonna cover it for a bit, and then after we're gonna add in some more of the chicken broth. Okay, now that the boiled rice has soaked up some of that broth, we're gonna add some more broth to it. Add some more broth, Manny. Alright, and then we're gonna stir it back up. Stir it. Yeah. Alright, awesome. Now we're gonna cover it back up and let the rice soak up that broth again. We're also gonna add some salt for taste. So give me a hand, Manny. Just put a bit of salt in it. Okay, throw the salt in. Awesome. We're gonna add some more of the chicken broth. Alright, this is the last bit. And stir it up. Some all-purpose seasoning. Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Awesome. Risotto will soon be done. We just have to add in the mushrooms and the parmesan cheese and the truffle oil. Add in the mushrooms into the risotto. Be careful. Alright, scrape it in. Okay. Now stir it up. Get this last piece of mushroom right there. Awesome. Stir it up. Yum, 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 yum. No, now add some parmesan cheese. Yeah, just add some parmesan cheese. Yeah, keep going. Yeah.
That's too much.
So let's add a bit more. Now drop in. Perfect. Okay. Now we're gonna add the final part, which is some truffle oil. So this is the truffle oil we'll be using. Here, Manny, add some truffle oil. Unscrew it. All right, now drizzle some, not too much. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Awesome. Now we're gonna stir it up. Stir it up, Manny. See the spoon there? Stir that risotto up. That's right. Keep stirring. Yummy. You smell the truffle? Yeah, you smell the truffle?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome. Alright, now that we're done cooking the risotto, Manny done cooking the risotto, we're gonna start presenting. So let's get to it. Let's see what Manny got up his sleeve for presenting. What you got? What you got in mind to present? How you gonna present it?
We made
Truffle risotto.
and we made truffle risotto, and we showed y'all how to make it. And now you can see how to make it. Okay, so the first ingredient.
No, not how to present it. How we gonna present it? So we're gonna put it on this plate here, and now we're gonna show them the art to it.
Okay.
Alright, cool. Give me 5. Okay, so let's present the risotto. Put that down like that. Get a bit more down that side there. Okay. Bit more on top. Awesome. Nice little cute small portion of risotto. Some Parmesan cheese. Awesome. Yum.
Yummy.
Yummy.